So in this video, you'll learn how to disable lock home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So you may have noticed that any changes you try to apply to your home screen, whether it's moving app icons or trying to add apps to the home screen or widgets, every time you try to do just even a small change, you're told your home screen layout is locked and you need to unlock it before you can do any changes. So if you want to customize your home screen, you have to start by opening the Settings app. Once you've launched Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Home Screen. Then from here, look for Lock Home Screen Layout and you'll see a toggle next to it. So just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. And once it's been turned off, now all the changes that you tried to apply to the home screen will be applied. So you can now customize it to your liking, whether it's moving app icons, adding widgets, all sorts of things. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.